Hey guys, we're back again. Today we're going to do Pina Colada soap. If you like Pina Colada. So I'm going to be using 3 different yellows in this. So I'm going to go ahead, pour my lye water solution into my oils, and get that blended up, separate out the batter, and then I'm going to put these yellows in, and we're going to see how close they are in color. I may have to lighten them up some. So let's get started. And I really debated this time about, the last time I did a Pina Colada soap, I did a high top with the, you know, soap frosting and embeds and all that good stuff. It was really cute. Oh my gosh, it was so cute. I wanted them all to be low tops this time for this collection. It's kind of hard though to do a Pina Colada soap, and one of the other ones that I'm going to be doing, it's kind of hard to do those as low tops because you want to do all the fancy things on them. And with the very next soap that I'm doing, it's going to be kind of the same pour, same design, but we'll be using greens instead of yellows. If that tells you anything, hint, hint, hint. But this is the Pina Colada soap. You guys let me know in the comments down below how you like your Pina Coladas. Do you guys even like Pina Coladas? Answer me that. Answer me if you even like Pina Coladas. How about that? And then we'll go through and discuss how you might like them if you do. So, all right, guys. Well, I will see you back for the cutting. Hey, guys. We're back. We're cutting the Pina Colada soap today. And this is the one I used 3 different yellows on to get a variation in color. Instead of being, you know, a neutral batter or a white batter with yellow accent, I wanted to use 3 different yellows to see how it would come out. Just, you know, an all-around revamped design. This was my first Pina Colada soap that I made, and I left most of the batter neutral, and then I did a white and a yellow drop swirl on the inside, and I love how that came out. And then I put the soap frosting on top, and I had these little cherries on top. It's soap ball, you know, representative of cherry. And then I had a yellow mica drizzle that I drizzled on the frosting. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but I don't know if that yellow is even showing up. It's really bright. But yeah, so that was my first Pina Colada soap. Looks a lot like food. I got asked several times if it was food, and I'm like, no, it's soap, it's soap. So yeah, I figured a whole redesign this time, since for the collection, my soaps are low tops this time. I haven't done a high top soap in a while. They are coming back. I will do a few more of those, probably around Christmas, maybe even, I don't know if I'll do any of my fall soaps that way, but Christmas will probably have a couple of high tops. But for now, with this collection, being the drinks are my favorite drinks, I really wanted to just have everything low top and have everything roughly the same design, just the different colors representative of the fragrance that was used. So, all right, well, let's get this one chopped up and see what we have on the inside, see if we can tell the difference in those 3 yellows. And I can tell just from looking at them here that I can see a difference in the yellows just with the naked eye. On camera, it might not pick up as well. Let's see if you guys can tell. So there is a light yellow here, there's the dark yellow, and then this whole color is a completely different yellow. I don't know, that light is really bright. I don't know if y'all can see. But even inside, I can clearly tell where the 3 different yellows are, and the main portion of the batter is that really light yellow. So it looks like blended pineapple. It's really cool looking, and it smells so delicious. It definitely smells like Pina Colada. You got that very light coconutty scent, but then you've got the pineapple as well, and it's a very light scent. It really is. But it meshes well. Like it smells really, really good. And I love it. So I figured for drinks month, I don't know, I still haven't really figured out. I might do, like, you know, call it Lissa's favorite drinks or something along those lines. Here we are in the middle of a collection. Well, I'm in the middle of making the collection. We're far out from the release date on this, but we have to make them well in advance. But yeah, so, and I'm still not entirely certain about the name of the collection yet, because this is not like all encompassing for all drinks. I'm just doing quite a few or several of them that I like. And, you know, later on I might do other drinks, you know, like a grape soda, orange pop, you know, mango lassi, something like that. But for now, I'm just doing these. I'm doing what I like. But you guys let me know down in the comments, what is your favorite drink? And list several, so, you know, you can give me some ideas as well. Maybe you like something I've never heard of before. Maybe I'll make an awesome soap out of something that you like to drink. And we'll see how it turns out. We can take the journey together, transforming our favorite drinks into soap. I mean, I think it'll be cool. So today, the weather, oh my goodness. We've had some pretty warm weather. Not hot, but warm. And it is actually supposed to rain. I checked the forecast because we have a market coming up. And I checked the forecast, and man, oh man, it is supposed to be raining for like the next 9 days, starting today. And I'm just like, are you serious? Like, I think this has been one of the wettest years. Yeah, like, we have had a lot of rainfall. We have not been able to cut our grass as often as we would like. And we have to stay on top of that, because if we don't get to cut it for like a week, it's going to be insane. And we do not like to let our grass get out of hand. Yeah, because once it does, it just, ugh. Then you have to get like a lawn sweeper, or, you know, bagger or something like that to bag all the clippings so it won't be all clumped up, and, you know, it sticks to the underside of your mower, and then you have to clean your mower out thoroughly. And it's just a pain. So this weather has not been nice. I'm just over all the wetness, which I know once, you know, full summer hits, and we're in the dead of summer, we're all going to be praying for any kind of precipitation whatsoever, because I know it can get extremely hot. And it's definitely humid here in Mississippi. Woo! Humid, humid, humid. Okay, last bar. And this is the Pina Colada. And these soaps will all be available, I think it's July 1st. I'll have to check the exact date, but it is I think it's July 1st that these soaps will be available. Still trying to get all my videos and everything done, so I will put that in the comments and let you guys know when release date is for this collection. And by then, maybe I will have gotten out of my, you know, brain fart. And I will have, you know, decided to name the collection other than drinks or summertime drinks, favorite drinks. Drink me. I think that's pretty cool, actually. Because I know when this weather starts warming up a whole lot midsummer, we're definitely going to want these fruity, frozen, cold drinks. Most definitely. Alright guys, well I'm going to let you go. Don't really have much to talk about today. I'm just, you know, wanted to film these cuttings to append to the end of the soap making videos. And I will let you guys go and see you back for the next soap making video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you like my content. Hit the notification bell so you'll be alerted every time I make new videos. And I would love to hear from you guys. All right, talk to you later. Bye.